going to show you how to make a super easy peasy pizza using only 3 ingredients. You will need some wraps, your favourite cheese which has been grated, and some passata. You will also need a baking tray to put it on and a spoon to help you spread. First things first, ask a grown-up to help you turn on the oven to 180 degrees if it's fan assisted or 200 degrees if it isn't. Now, take your wrap and place it onto the baking tray. You will then need to pour some of your passata into the middle. Do it a little at a time because we can always add more. And get your spoon and spread the passata around the wrap. Now the great thing about this is that you can add as little or as much as you like depending on how much you like. I'm going to add a bit more. With the passata you can either use plain or you can add herbs from the cupboard or buy passata with herbs in, or if you've got any fresh herbs, even better, you can add that straight onto the top as it is. Once that's done, take your cheese and sprinkle it on the top. Now I'm just making a plain margherita pizza, but if you want to, you can have many more ingredients such as mushrooms, ham, spinach, sweet corn, anything that you'd usually like on your pizza or that you have in the house. There you go. Add as much or as little as you like, and now it's ready to go into the oven. Ask a parent or grown up to help you put that into the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes and then it's done. And there you go, you'll have a super easy peasy pizza.